All right, we're switching it up. We're gonna be installing the Estates. It's an outside post to outside post. Allows you to do angles and stairs. And we're gonna be doing with our 2x6 drink rail. Ready? It's gonna look amazing. All right, Adam, so now we're pivoting from the WiseRail Legacy system to the Estates. So what are the main differences between the two systems?
Well, with the Estate system, it's going to be an outside to outside install. You're going to pre-drill your holes all the way through your post, starting on the outside. Then you're going to come in and all your fittings are going to sit inside the post, like so, with the same tensioning concept as previously, where it tightens inside. You'll be able to run your cable at angles and on stairs.
Got it. So the old Legacy is inside to inside, but that cap really limits your ability to flex that cable.
Correct. Once that cable's bent coming out, you're not going to be able to do future tensioning.
Got it. What are some of the applications now that you cannot use the Estates, but you can use the Legacy?
Well, one is when your post dead ends on your house, it gives you access to still be able to install.
So if your house is right against that post, you don't have the luxury to work outside.
Or on 90-degree turns where you're finishing one run and running the next, the Legacy is going to work perfect in that situation.
Okay, so if you're having actually at 90 degrees, you're going inside only.
Correct.
Got it. All right, let's keep the show rolling.
All right, let's go. On one end, we're going to crimp on the threaded swedge. Then we're going to take our tensioner and give it 2 to 3 turns to start it. We're now going to run the cable through the outside of the post, through the cable brace, and then we're going to stop when we get to the next post. This is where we add our post protector sleeve, and now insert through and pull it out the other end. This side we're going to mark where the outside of the post is on the cable. We're going to pull the cable back out. And from here, we're going to measure 1 inch in from that mark and cut. On the new cut, we're going to insert the threaded swedge and double crimp with the crimping tool that comes in the accessory kit. Turn, the second crimp. Now we're going to take one of our tensioners and the washer, insert it on the outside of the post, and the threaded swedge we're going to insert on the inside of the post, lining up. And give this a couple turns.
All right, as far as tighten the cable, you have 2 options, right? You have one for a 2-man crew. Ready? There you go. And you go ahead and use the Allen key and tighten from the outside, or you guys came up with the system that you can actually do it by yourself, right? Why don't you show us that?
Using the same silicone sleeve that we used in the Legacy kit, you're going to slip that over the cable so not to scratch or mar the cable up, right? Using your pliers, you're going to grip onto that so the cable doesn't rotate, and you're going to turn your Allen key.
Excellent, you can hear it tightening. All right. Good deal.
The last step in this is to slide the post protector sleeve into the hole. Push it into the stops, and then grab yourself a pre-grooved board. Still tap that in more.
Gonna do it again? There you go. Man, that looks nice. It looks flush. All right, I don't know about you, Adam, but the Estates really deliver with the clean lines, the strength. And actually when we got going, I installed a lot faster than I thought I was going to. And then the combo between the eBay drink rail and the WiseRail Estates, it took our rail game to a whole nother level.
Oh yeah, it looks stunning.